Welcome. In front of me I have Ice Ring, or ICE, one of those two. And I'll go over unboxing along with a quick look at the ring itself. So anyway, let's just get straight into it. Packaging is very small. Obviously, you don't need a big box for just a ring. Okay, so it's right at the front. Nothing in here. And the manual doesn't seem like it's in English, although right below that it looks, it might be. Let's see what we got in here. So we got use your ice ring. Okay, so yeah, it's in English. Some more paperwork. Okay, so it's actually chargeable. At least it looks like it, right? Yep. So yeah. Oh, that's a bit odd. Not sure if this is going to be picked up. Yep, it is being picked up. There is something loose in there. That doesn't give me... Well, dropping it probably won't help. So yeah, it doesn't give me great confidence. Now, so here we have our charging base, our little ring. Let's see. Okay, so that touches like this. I was kind of wondering what that was at the beginning. Obviously, it explains it. Ring itself feels like it's made out of plastic. Very light, almost no weight to it. So yeah, not much to it. The only downside is that rattling noise inside of the charging base. Anyway. That's about it. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.